it's Nathan here. This time, not quite with an honest review, but rather giving you my top 5 tips for owning any Apple product. So, it's the holiday season. You've likely been very fortunate and received one or maybe even multiple Apple products, maybe the new iPad, a new Mac or a new watch. And you're probably searching around on the internet for what are the top tips, what do I need to know? This video is all you need to know with my top 5 tips on everything related to all Apple products combined into one video. So here it goes. So my first tip, restore from latest backup. So using the iPhone, for example, when you're setting up a new iPhone, make sure you select the latest backup from your previous device. Now, key thing to know, when looking at the time slots for these backups, they will be in US West Coast time. So please don't get confused with them, as I have on many occasions. Top tip here, back up your previous Apple device if you're migrating before activating and restoring from backup on your latest device. If you've got a new one, then go ahead and set up as a new device. Number 2, configure your iCloud account across all your devices to get the best from the Apple ecosystem. Doing it this way allows you to restore purchases. So where you might have installed or purchased one app on your iPhone, configuring your iCloud account on your iPad would mean that you have access to those purchases. It also means you'll be able to make use of sharing iMessages across all your devices, making and receiving FaceTime calls as well. Really key thing here. Third point, get to know your cables. So in the Apple world, there are 2 primary cables. Lightning cable, which is with all iPhones, and USB-C. USB-C is what Apple use on the latest Macs and iPads as the main port for charging and connectivity. So, as you can see here, USB-C. As you can see here, Lightning. Very similar looking, but different purposes. Just remember, Lightning for iPhone, USB-C for everything else. Key thing to also note with USB-C, you'll likely need some sort of adapter to connect it to your older peripherals, such as this by Apple, which will allow you to connect to things like HDMI and USB. So don't be afraid of that USB-C. Fourth point, make use of the free apps that Apple give you with any new product purchase. So when you purchase a new product, whether it's Mac, iPhone, iPad, Apple give you access to a number of their applications for free. So things like iMovie for video editing, GarageBand for voice and audio editing and creation, or Pages, Keynote for doing things like word processing and presentations. Apple give you these all for free. On the iPhone and the iPad and the Mac, they all install by default automatically. If you want to use them, then go ahead. They're really great, really contain a lot of good features and rival many paid versions. If you don't use them or you only use some of them, then you are able to delete them across any of your devices. Fifth and final point, learn some productivity hacks. I'm not going to go through every single productivity hack across every Apple device because I think that would go beyond what this video is meant to do. So why don't I share with you just a couple of really short ones and leave you to go out and search for those that work best for you. First productivity hack for the Mac, press Shift, Command, and number 4 to take a screenshot. This will bring up a menu where you're able to select what you want to take a screenshot of on the Mac. Shift Command 5 allows you to do the same as the screenshot, but actually take a video screenshot. Pretty cool, huh? iPhone, 2 quick productivity hacks for you. In Safari, hold the Tab button, which will bring up a short menu and allow you to close all tabs. Really great if you're like me and use many tabs over a period of time. Last productivity hack for the iPhone here. If you're in a word processing environment such as the Notes app, shake the device and it will bring up a cool little menu box asking you to undo. So whenever you've written something you just want to take away, no need to keep pressing backspace, just shake to undo. Thanks so much for watching another slightly different honest review. I really hope you've enjoyed some of these top tips for owning an Apple Mac device. Stay tuned for more content coming up. Hit the subscribe button to see more. Hit the like button if you've enjoyed this video, or why not leave a comment down below. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.